Some of you may know that I sold my old camera setup. So I had a Sony A7 first generation and a Dji Ronin SC. That is what I used for my cinematic videos. So since I sold them to a good friend of mine, Andrew, I decided to upgrade and got myself a Dji RS3. One of my friends actually has one of these and he told me how much they were, so it was kind of rude not for me to get this. Pretty keen on it. I got the combo. It has a little bit of extras here and there, which should help with with filming in general. So I decided to video the unboxing of the Dji RS3 since I realized that majority of my subscribers are actually other photographers or videographers, or just people who are also interested on videoing cars in general. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's start unboxing this thing. We've got our trusty cutting utility. We've also got this package here that we may as well open up. Let's start off with opening this. Probably parts for the Beamer. Jeez, cool. It's BMW badges. Hell yeah. Are they genuine? BMW group. You're right. New badges for the E36. So, alright, so let's start with so if you guys are getting one for yourself, we'll see what it looks like. So it comes out with a case. It comes with a case. Let me just fucking honey. That's pretty cool. I never bought a gimbal brand new. I've always bought them second hand. It's like I'm buying some luggage. DJI Pro? What the fuck? I didn't get a Pro. I'd laugh if they gave me a Pro instead. Alright, so opening up, we got this flap here. We got some extras, and underneath, I guess, is the actual gimbal. Ta-da! Alright, so it's packed like that. Gimbal itself. Where's the battery? Might be on the other side. This is the tripod. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so we got the battery. Oh, there's only one in here. It just wasn't on properly. So second mount like that. With my old gimbal, I used to own a Ronin M, and I used to run an external monitor. Hopefully, this is the same thread. Yes, sir. Let's go. That means I can mount the external monitor on the handle. Yeah. Don't have my Allen key set up here, so we'll just do with that for now. This is definitely an upgrade from the Ronin SC. I'm so stoked. This is a gnarly setup. Dude, I am creaming right now. Alright, so that's the unboxing there. Let me put this back together and mount the camera on top. Man, I'm absolutely creaming right now. So along with the kit, because I got myself the combo autofocus ring, the quick release plate. What's this? Pen? What is that? I think that could be for the focus ring. I don't know, I'll have to look into it. Get in the bag, get in the bag. This might be all for the focus ring. So this focus ring attaches to your lens. It's like a zip tie. What the flip? Do you unlock it? Gonna have to give that a read. We got more hardware, another USB-C. We got a triangle. Alright, so that's all in the kit. Let me get back to you. All set up on the gimbal. Alrighty guys, so I switched over to my phone camera because obviously the camera I use is on the gimbal. So it took me a couple hours to figure out on the setup that I want. Thankfully, my external monitor still working and operating fine. This is the only cable that I have available, but I do plan on getting a shorter version and less heavier because it does affect the gimbal. So far the RS3 has been working flawlessly. So this is a HDMI to a HDMI mini. I do plan on putting a micro USB onto the Ronin RS3 so I can utilize the record button here, this record button, instead of pressing it on the camera. I was actually worried on where I'm gonna mount the microphone. I just realized that the actual bracket for the external monitor actually has a horseshoe mount already, so mounted there. And then I found the aux cable that runs from the microphone to below of the monitor. I'm gonna see the actual footage, see if the recording from the mic actually works from mounting it on the external monitor instead of the straight from the camera. I reckon it should be alright. Boot it up for you guys. So we got the on button here. That's one thing I love, is that it automatically unlocks from the auto locks here. So let me turn on the external monitor and then let me turn on the actual camera. So there's no card on, obviously, but then there's a actual monitor. So let me put the camera down so I can show you guys what it looks like. Gee Willick is Batman. So pretty much how I'll be using this gimbal is pretty much using it like a briefcase. So pretty much like that. Yes sir. It's so sick. So I'm gonna have to get used to holding it like this. I can already feel that there's a lot of weight on my left hand here, but I'm already a big strong boy, so hopefully it's not too bad. And yeah, so there's the external monitor working. This is the 2023 cinematic setup. So let's switch over back to the camera. What did you bring us here?
Oh no, I got given a freaking...
Is it? So Kodie came into the shop and he was like, "Hey Z, do you want a free drone?" I was like, "What?" And he wasn't kidding, there's a free drone here. And apparently it just takes 3 batteries and your phone links up to the screen, I guess. Jesus Christ. Now we're trying to figure out how we're going to use it.
There's a better back here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you've fucking used this before, haven't you?
No, not yet. I just put the battery in before.
Oh, do I need Wi-Fi? Start. Allow. Yo. It blinked. Did it die? Let's do it outside. Do you know how to use it? Are you trying to figure it out?
Joysticks.
You dog. You're pretty much a pro now.
Guess so. You're up.
Oh, fuck. So
I can see this coming down and breaking. So that's it. What do you think of your free drone?
dude, I'm pretty much a fucking fighter jet pilot right now. Okay. Grab this shirt at www.com.
Look at all the details, like I drew this.
So we're joined here by Reegan for Lettys. We want to do something special for Letty. So what we're gonna do is when we're gonna release the video, we're gonna do a movie premiere.
Yeah. So the projector is a Philips Pro Pixel Micro 2, and essentially I got it for when I went on a trip. But the winning point in this projector is that it's got Android TV in it, so you don't even have to like plug your phone into it or anything. It just comes with a...
So pretty much what he was saying, when he was in Canberra, he was watching a lot of porn on his projector.
don't.
You just got caught in 4K, mate.
Fuck.
Yeah, so we're gonna turn the lights off now. We're gonna see how it shows up. Uno, dos, tres. Yeah, I need to put my ISO up on this thing. Let's connect the to the speaker. Yeah. Sorry guys, you guys can't see anything. But right now we're connecting the projector to our JBL speaker. So we got the projector here. I just got the light on so you guys can see what we're doing. So we're connected to Daddy. I don't know who that is. Minor difficulties. There we go. So we're gonna play the last video. Fucking hell, man.
It's gonna look so good.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great.
Holy shit. Dude, that is... 3, 2... Oh, that's not bad. Oh, fuck. Freaking... Oh, fuck. So, as you guys just saw, this little projector here, definitely good enough for what we wanted to do.
I don't even know it's off.
Now it just comes down to actually making the video.
Skills.
Should be good.
Now that would make a great movie.
Even this thing, this little nugget. So that's the setup for the Lettys movie premiere. I don't know if we're gonna make this event public, but yeah, you'll see it when it's here. Alright, that's it for tonight. I just gotta do my transition. Oh, wait. Whoosh.